Hey guys, I'm Pat Kelly. Okay, in this problem, our task is to find two functions, f and g, such that if you were to look at the composition of those functions, you'd get this h of x function that they give us to begin with. This is a great type of problem. It's very much kind of going backwards. What I mean by that is, usually we're given f and g to begin with, and they ask us, well, hey, what's it look like if you do fog, if you do f composition with g? And your answer would have been h of x. But here, it's kind of like they're giving us the answer, and we have to think backwards and figure out what f and g could have been, right? Very great thought process here, okay? So, let's see if we can figure it out. To begin, you of course know this notation, fog. Start with that, as if this is the h of x that they give us, and they want it to end up equaling fog, that means we will want that to equal f of g of x, all right? And that's what we want. So we want this to be true. All right, and I like that rewrite because I'm very clearly seeing that fog, that concept, has one function on the inside and then one function on the outside. And that's the attack I'm going to have when I look at h of x, is I've got to be able to see one thing going on the inside and something else going on the outside, right? And according to this notation, my f function is going to be the thing going on the outside. So I'm going to start with that. But you could start in either place. If I'm looking for f of x, and that's the thing going on the outside, I have to take a look at my h of x function, and I've got to try to see something that's going on a bigger scale, something that's bigger. And that, to me, are these parentheses squared. And I mean bigger just in the sense that there is something going on the inside of parentheses, but the bigger thing that's going on is that raising to the 2 power. So what I'm going to choose for my f of x is just a simple raising to the 2 power. Okay? My next thought is, and you know what, I'll even throw this thought at you, is maybe I'm not even sure if I'm right yet. We'll check. So try to move on to your next thought, which is now, all right, I think I've tackled what's going on outside. Let's try to see what's going on inside. And that's going to be my g of x. And now I look back at h of x, and I try to say what's going on furthest on the inside. So I've already tackled that exponent, and all I see on the inside is 2x plus 1. That's what I'm going to try to let my g of x equal. It's just 2x plus 1. Okay? Now, if I expressed any kind of uncertainty, like I'm not sure if I'm right, one of the cool things with this type of problem is you can always check yourself. If this is your guess at what f of x and g of x are going to be, now try this. Try this forward type of problem. Put g on the inside of f and see if you get the h of x that we started with. Okay? I think you can see it's going to work here. If I take g of x, 2x plus 1, and put it on the inside of f of x, I'll see exactly that 2x plus 1 parentheses squared. Okay, so it worked. Now, I did kind of mention this is a great type of problem. This ability to see one given function as the composition of two or more functions will really serve you well in more advanced areas of mathematics, even like calculus. Okay, so really don't blow these problems off. They're good. I like them. I want you to like them too. So practice them on your own. All right?